Triple your income in just 1 year. Imagine this. 1 year from today, your $10,000 investment turns into over $31,000 without breaking a sweat. Sounds too good to be true? Let me show you how it works. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel where we dive deep into strategies for building wealth in the crypto world. Today I'll show you a proven method to triple your income using a powerful trading bot and the magic of compound interest. Let's break it down. Step 1. Start with a $10,000 investment. This is our baseline for this strategy. Step 2. Leverage the power of a professional cryptocurrency trading bot. A reliable bot can generate consistent monthly profits, averaging 10%. But here's the secret sauce. Instead of withdrawing your profits, you reinvest them every month. Step 3. Compound your profits. Here's where things get exciting. With a 10% monthly return, your $10,000 grows to over $31,300 in just 12 months. That's the power of exponential growth. To put it simply, your money works harder for you when you reinvest your profits. With just 1 year of consistent trading, you can achieve results that most people take years to accomplish. Now, you might be wondering, is it safe? No investment is completely risk-free, but by using a trusted trading bot and staying disciplined, you're stacking the odds in your favor. Always remember to do your research and only invest what you can afford to lose. So, are you ready to take the leap and triple your income in just 1 year? If you're interested in learning more about this strategy, feel free to reach out to our support team on Telegram and receive a free consultation. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to see it. See you in the next video.